Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a voiceover to your scenes in Google Vids. You're working on your Google Vids project. You have a specific scene you want to be working on. If you go to Insert and click on Voiceover, right, you'll see the scripts side panel show up. Now, this can be done in a couple of different ways. If you type in the script exactly as you want it, and then this will take some getting used to because sometimes it doesn't actually speak exactly the way you think it will. If you type in the script, you can either have the voiceover recorded using an AI voice, or you can record the voiceover yourself. It's up to you. It doesn't really matter. It just depends on your preference. But if you want to include a voiceover, very similar to what you're hearing now, this is me talking, this is a voiceover, you can add those on any scene in Google Vids. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.